In this video, we're going to show you to install the rear wiper blade on your Toyota RAV4 located at the base of the rear glass. Your first step is to move this upper cap here. You're going to gently reach around with two fingers on the base of it and just kind of pop this up so it swings out and away. And now go ahead and bring up the wiper arm. I'm going to grab your wiper blade and gently just kind of fold it. And it will actually come dislodged from the retainer right there. Grab the new one, make sure you have it in the same position. And there's a cross pin right here that will actually fit right in to the arm itself. Push that in, fold it in, and it'll lock onto itself. Lower the wiper arm down, and then go ahead and fold the cover back over and snap that into place. At that point there, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.